Welcome back to Shanzen Zen Jamaican Vibes. We're back with another donation, back to school donation. And today we're in the community of Park in St. Elizabeth. It is close to Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Very warm weather down here in Park. And we are here to distribute backpacks, books, and school supplies to some needy children in this community. Before I do so, I want to say a big thank you to my donors who reached out to me while I was in the US and donated back to school supplies. Thanks to Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministries, the Temple of Restoration, and the Olivet Baptist Church and Dyer Avenue in New York for their contributions to the program and to the back to school drive. You can see that it's benefiting a lot of Jamaicans. I still have part 2 of the back to school treat video to upload. I'm just having some technical difficulties, but in time you guys will see part 2. There are some parts that weren't posted, like when students receive back to school book vouchers for textbooks and some other clips that were missing. So as soon as I can, I will post part 2 of the back to school video. Once more, we're in the streets of St. Elizabeth handing out back to school supplies to needy children. Welcome back to Shanzen Zen Jamaican Vibes. We're here in Park Avenue in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, and these are some children who I'll be distributing backpacks to. So first we have little Deshaun Smith. You're welcome. Somebody, one of the bigger adults, come help him. Come help him. Because I don't have enough buckets here. Alright, Deshaun, that's you. I'm gonna find you a little girly bag and a girly pencil case. How many children do you have? Oh, I have to do one. Ruler. What else? You use crayons?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go. What's your name?
Anna K.
Okay. You're welcome, Anna K. Smith. Alright. What's your name? Felicia Knight. Felicia, this one? Okay, Felicia Knight. This is yours. Do you use crayon? Okay, you're welcome. This is your crayon.
Rosanna Morris.
Rosanna Morris. Rosanna, I'm assuming you would use like marker. Where's the pens? Oh, I forgot to give them the hand sanitizer. The big blue stick. Yes. That's you. I'm not sure you have it because hand sanitizer. Oh, you didn't get any hand sanitizer. Where? Okay. Alright, your name now? But I guess you still use pencil for some things.
Oh, well, I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, you just starting high school? Okay. You're welcome. Sanitizer. Paper and color. You know.
Michaela Smith.
Michaela Smith. Which ruler you like? Board one or do you use crayons? You're welcome.
Ricardo Morrison.
Yes, Ricardo Morrison in high school. So this bag is on behalf of Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministries.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Inside, open it so you can see what's inside.
Thanks, miss.
Yes. Because you're in high school, you get to here. Hand sanitizer. Here. You're welcome. All right. You're welcome.
You are one good.
You want one?
Yeah.
Somebody, oh, you didn't get both? Oh, man. That's why I want. I got a lot of books. I wish I could give more, but because of the back to school treat, like everybody who came there, they got most of the books. So, I'm still giving the little ones. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is one for you.
Because they want bag like how she got dear to you. Like,
She goes to
yes,
the
she in school when I tell her to never send me baby.
Oh, yes. Give her. This bag this is the same thing, but it folds out. So when you fold out, it's gonna be just like. Yeah, yeah. Does she just get her sugar, right? You're welcome.
Very much, miss, on behalf of all of the children.
You're welcome.
And thank you to the person who donated.
Alright, you're welcome.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man, you're welcome. Alright.
Thank you.